Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a huge Sephora haul for you guys. This is the big bag that they gave me. I went to Sephora when they were having the 15% off BIB sale, and this is everything that I got and I cannot wait to show you guys. So let's see. The first thing that I got is a foundation. This is the new Anastasia foundation. This is the luminous foundation and I got mine in the shade 220N. There are so many new foundations coming out and I was running out, so I'm super happy. Here is how it looks like, and it just says foundation right here. Super cute. And this is the other side of the bottle. I am so excited to use this foundation. Speaking of foundations, I have the new Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. It says that it lasts up to 24 hours and I got mine in the shade 41NN. I am so excited to use this one as well. This is what it looks like, super fancy. I love it. I also got the new Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear foundation and I got mine in the shade 260. So many people are talking about this foundation and I just love Rihanna and I love her makeup line, so this is what I got. I cannot wait to use this one as well. I tried them on at Sephora. By the way, the people working there, they were so sweet and nice. They helped me find my right shade, and this one is perfect for an everyday use. It's really hydrating and it looks really natural, so if you're looking for something to wear when you're at work or school or anything, this is your foundation. But if you're like me and you love full coverage, this is the foundation for you. I think this is the last one that I got, by the way, but this is the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation. Oh my god, when they put it on my face, it was amazing. I got the shade Toasted Coconut 240N. This foundation, I am in love. Please get it if you haven't get it, because I couldn't believe it. It was on my face and I couldn't believe it. Like, it's so amazing. Super full coverage. I really like it. Okay, enough with foundations, but now this is the other thing that I went to Sephora for. This is the new Anastasia palette in her collab with Jackie Aina, and oh my god, I just saw this palette and I just knew I had to get it. Here's what it looks like, and first of all, the packaging, oh my god. But then you look at the shades and oh my god, it's the most perfect palette for fall. I am so in love with it. I just couldn't resist. I had to get it and I can't wait to film some tutorials for you guys using this beautiful palette. Okay, I also got this concealer. This is the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced, but it's multi-use, so I got it to do some contour. You can use it to conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch. I got mine in the shade Honey, and I love my Fenty Beauty contour stick, but I just wanted to get something new and see how it works. This is the one that I got. Okay, speaking of the girl working at Sephora, two of the girls working there were helping me, but one of them, I was in love with her makeup. It was so perfect. I told her to tell me which highlighter she was wearing, and she told me she was using the NARS highlighting powder. So this is what it looks like. And oh my god, look at that. It's so pretty. I couldn't resist. I think the shade is Albatross, but it's so beautiful. I usually never wear blush, but her blush was so beautiful. It was the Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duo. You have two of them in here. It comes with a matte shade and a shimmer shade, and it's super pretty. It looks super pink in here, so I don't know how it's gonna look on me. Maybe I can just apply a little bit, but on hair it was amazing. And also some brow product from Benefit. This is the Ka Brow, and I got mine in the shade 3.5 just because I don't like my eyebrows being super dark. They are super dark, but I just don't like my products to be as dark as my eyebrows. They also gave me this little trial size mini bronzer from Too Faced. This is the Sun Bunny Natural Bronzer, and if it's free, right? It's super tiny and beautiful, and it seems like it comes with two shades, so I can't wait to try this one either. I don't want my camera to die, and it's about to die. I also got the new concealer from Urban Decay. This is the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer, It also says that it lasts up to 24 hours. This concealer is one shade lighter than the foundation just because I don't want it to look too rough. So it's the number 40NN. I also got another Marc Jacobs highlighter just because I love these ones, and I got it in the shade Blacker. I really like this one. This is another trial size product that they gave me. I'm not sure what it is. It says Clean Skin Gel from Sephora, but I mean, I'm gonna try it anyways because it was free. The last things that I have to show you are some brushes. So I usually always apply my products, my foundation and everything with my sponge, but I just wanted to try some new brushes. The two that I got are from Sephora, and this one is a more dense brush and this one is more of a skinny brush. They told me that if you have a full coverage foundation, you should use a more dense brush like the Huda Beauty one. But if you're using something like the new Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation, you can use a regular brush like this one. I don't know how to get these things out. I have to figure it out. But then I got this other brush. This one is from Kat Von D and it's a powder and contour brush. And you can see in there how it looks like. I just got it because I have her palette and I have some other contour products, and sometimes I feel like I don't have the right brush to apply them, so that's why I got this brush. And okay, you guys, so those are all of the products that I have for you today. I am in love with all of them and I cannot wait to use them. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!